He's a good guard dog. He sees someone outside. Uh-huh. He's gonna growl now because he knows that we don't know that person. Who's outside? Who's outside? Who's outside? Who's outside, Tiger? Who's outside? Who's out there? Uh-oh. Tiger? Who's outside? Go look out the window. Who's outside? You want to play with the ball? You want to play with... Here, give me the ball. Okay, give me the ball. Go get it. Give it to me. Give it to me. Good boy. Do you want it? Do you want it? Say I love you. Say I love you. No, say I love you. I love you. Say I love you. Say I love you. Did you hear that? Say I love you. I love you. I love you. Say I love you. Say I love you. I love you. Say I love you. Oh, say I love you. Here, Tiger. Do you want the ball? Do you want the ball? Tiger, you want the ball? Do you want to say I love you again? Say I love you. Say I love you. Tiger, say I love you. No, he's gonna say I love you. Say I love you. Come on. Say I love you. Now I'll give you the ball. Say I love you. Say I love you. Say I love you. I love you. Oh, okay, fine. Here. Go get the ball. Did you hear that? He's so adorable. Come on, bring back the ball. He's so cute.